Hi, I'm Joseph Wong, and this is part 7 of my storytelling series explaining why you should use storytelling as much as you can if you wish to win over any audience. If you ask me what the two most crucial skills for consistently great storytelling are, I'll say clarity and vocabulary. Clarity is about executing your structured story, meaning you have to plan it well, with the proper diction, pace, pause, and tone. And vocabulary contributes to how thoughtful your choice of words is and your precision of expression. Even if you have prepared a script, you shouldn't try and remember the script, but you must remember the idea and the key words or expressions from the script. The best storyteller really needs to be an actor. And how do the best actors hone their craft? They internalize the character they need to become and practice their lines so well that they are familiar with what they need to say. So if you aspire to become a more compelling storyteller, this is the challenge I put before you. Become an actor. If you wish to practice storytelling with me, I have 2 full-day classes coming up on the 23rd of September and the 9th of December. Come practice with me. This is my final part of this storytelling series until I have more lessons to share. Thank you for following me up to here. All the best with your storytelling journey. I'm Joseph Wong.